I got you in there. I'm gonna get you.
I'm just gonna stab you in the dick.
Surprise! I don't have a dick.
Ah! Damn it! It didn't work.
Oh.
I'm sorry. It didn't break, so I just beat the shit out of his knuckle with a freaking plate of mirror.
You think that was a good idea in the first fucking place?
Hey. Yes.
It was a good idea until we thought about it.
Why didn't you put your... Oh, you should have put your ring on your knuckle.
Oh, I should have. That would have shattered it just like that.
Take two.
If you want to just paste and clip it and try shattering it. I should, like, put my hand on something.
That's a good blooper video.